Disguising your black business to grow it. I wanted to make that statement because over time I have discovered that that's basically how you're going to get over the hump, especially if you're from an area where it seems like you can't just get over without having to have some type of selling partner or have some type of um, ideology of the business where other people might think it's not your business, but it is your business in order for it to grow without any hiccups. And I'm only saying this because this is something that I have noticed that if you disguise your black business getting started, not the whole time, but getting started, it seems like you'll have better momentum when they don't know it's coming from you. When, those that even know you don't know it's yours. They just feel like, oh, this is a good business. And most of the time they think it's a white business. And it is what it is. We're in America. So I have just learned that if you would disguise it, not trying to hide who you are, but just to have a business that can actually cross over and help other people, you'll get over the hump faster than you just coming out saying, hey, this is my new business I'm about to start. Hey, I'm about to open this. You should support this new business I got going on. And it might be something that can really help some people. And you'll notice how it just don't get off the ground like it need to without you having to go through a whole lot. But if you disguise it, if they don't really know it's yours, and if you can get it going where everybody can accept it, you'll be surprised on how doors would open for you. Hold on.